Alright, so go ahead and stand up here in front. We have 4 industrial strength staple guns used for carpeting. I want you to take them and you're going to mix them up, and then we're going to assign the numbers randomly and all that. Just keep them in the same positions, but mix them up.
Okay.
And I'm not going to watch. Now, like I said, I did this before and I was nervous as could be, and still am a little bit then because these are staple guns from Home Depot.
Okay.
Hopefully I don't mess it up. We have number 1. Which one would you like to assign number 1?
Put it right here.
All right. Number 2. 3. Go for it. 3.
Whoop.
It's okay. So now you've randomly positioned them, and then we've randomly assigned them numbers. Now we're going to take these 4 cups here, and I have 4 envelopes. So you can see it back there. Smiley face, a circle. That was supposed to be a square, but it was left-handed because I was in a hurry. And the plus. Which envelope would you like to choose first out of these?
The smiley face.
Smiley face. Now, is there a reason that you went to the smiley face first?
No.
Would you take and open that up? Let's just go back there. Number 3. Would you take number 3, hold it up, grab staple gun number 3, take the safety off from the bottom. It's got safety. I don't want to touch it. Right there.
Okay.
Just pull that down. Would you fire it into the palm of my hand?
I have to do this?
Yes, please.
Oh, I'm glad
If
I'm
you
not
mess
up
this
there.
up, I'm not responsible.
He's gonna feel so bad.
You want me to like touch it to your hand and then pull the
Yes.
trigger?
All right, 1 down. Would you pick
The square.
the square-ish thing? Come on. There we go. Which one is it?
1.
Would you take number 1, remove the safety off of it, and fire it with the other hand? Okay, we're good, we're good. Now we're down to 2 and 4.
The plus.
And we have the circle and the plus sign. You take that. This is the part that sucks.
Dose.
Number 2, 50-50 chance here. If you take number 2, place it inside my head.
Oh, God.
Are you sure?
Yes. And you see the last one. The last one. Number 4.